guys, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transform a basket into a lampshade. I thrifted the basket some months ago when the shops were still open, and I really love how it looks like. It's for a friend. I make for her a makeover of her workspace, and this video will come next week probably, but today I will transform and upcycle this thrifted basket to a lampshade. Fantastic that you're here. If you like creative projects and do-it-yourself crafting videos, don't forget to subscribe and use the notification bell. And please let me know if you like this transformation and upcycle of this basket.
These are the materials I use for this thrift flip. It's a macrame yarn, which is a bit thicker, a jute yarn, a thin one, some cotton cord, wooden beads, and of course a glue gun. And this is my basket. It's a wire basket, and what's very important that it has a hole in the top or bottom, so you can put through the lamp cable. These vertical wires are really great to weave your yarn through it and create different kind of patterns. I start with weaving the jute yarn between the wires. It's just a simple repetitive process. I start with about 2 centimeters to give it a good base to work further. Then I use the cotton macrame yarn to do the same weaving and give it some more substance. Then again I use the jute yarn, which is thinner, and I wrap it twice around every wire, so it gets a diagonal and a looser pattern that the light comes through also. And then I use again the macrame yarn, I weave it around in a basic weaving pattern for a more boho look. I filled the lampshade with the same pattern with the jute wire, wrapping it around twice on every wire so that it gives a cohesive look. At the bottom I decorate with the wooden beads and the jute yarn. I knot every wire. I will make a knot so it's getting this nice pattern, and it has a playful decoration with the wooden beads. I really like it how it looks like and how everything comes together. Now there is a little space left on the underside of the lampshade where I will fill it up with the macrame yarn. I just weave it through it so it has it fits all together and it looks harmonious in the design. All the loose ends I fix with a hot glue gun so they don't get loose and it stays in place. I think it looks really cute and playful, this design, and I like that you see the copper wires through the yarn and the weaving patterns, and I really like how it looks like. So now it's ready to be installed. The great thing is I used a cable with the fitting and a plug, so I can use it directly in the outlet or put it in the outlet, and you don't need to install it to a wall outlet. So yeah, I'm so happy how it looks like. It's exactly what I wanted for the room of my friend.
Thank you so much for watching. Really great that you was here. Let me know if you did something like this before yourself, or did you use other kind of materials to transform and upcycle a basket to a lampshade. I'm really curious that and it would be fantastic if we can learn from each other. Just leave a note in the description box if you are experienced in these kind of projects. Have a nice day and see you soon.